2 events left on the track in this morning's session. This is the first of 2 semi-finals in the men's 100 meters T42. All eyes in this one will be on lanes 6, 7 and 8. Daniel Jorgensen of Denmark, David HENSON, the British Invictus Games captain, in 7, and Heinrich Popov on the outside. Here's Jorgensen, bronze medalist last year over 200 meters in Doha, and surprised himself with that speed, the long jump specialist. Alongside him is Great Britain's Invictus Games captain, Dave HENSON. He was 7th in Doha last year with 27.08, but he's in much better form than that this year and could go very well over the 100 should he make it into the final. Heinrich Popov, the 32-year-old German, hugely experienced, Paralympic champion, world champion, a great athlete. Now, just watching that, Popov is not happy about something going on there with the blocks. He is showing his experience, and now Popov just repositioning himself here. He's a fine, fine athlete. Gold medal in Christchurch, gold medal in Lyon. He fractured his foot early in October last year, which meant he didn't take part in Doha. He's an incredibly determined campaigner. Meanwhile, as the clouds descend, the atmosphere grows here ahead of this penultimate track race of this opening session. The men's 100 meters T42 semi-final.
On your marks.
Watch out for Jorgensen of Denmark in 6, HENSON, Great Britain 7, Heinrich Popov nearest the camera, the Paralympic champion, in lane 8. First 3 guaranteed passage through to the final. BERNOTAS of Lithuania in 3, TELLI Turkey 4, IZBASAROV of Russia 5, Jorgensen, HENSON, Popov. Only the first 3 guaranteed to advance into the final.
Set.
They get away first time. Dave HENSON always takes a long time to get into his running because he is a double amputee. Going really well there at the moment is Jorgensen. He's dragging IZBASAROV with him. Jorgensen takes it from IZBASAROV. Popov gets 3rd, and Dave HENSON of Great Britain in 4th place. The Britain is better over the 200 meters. What a good run, though, from Daniel Jorgensen in lane 6. He dragged the 20-year-old Russian on the lane inside him through to a really good performance. And 12.55, the unofficial time. There it is, confirmed. A championship record. Well, the man who started out as a long jump specialist said he surprised himself, Will, with a great bronze medal over the 200 last year, and I think he's got a chance of getting on the podium over the even shorter sprint here. Cracking run from the Dane.
Looked exceptionally good, Rob. Jorgensen there in the middle, IZBASAROV alongside, being dragged along with him for Russia. Popov didn't look to me to have his normal fluid style. He missed the last European Championships in Swansea in 2014, was injured for Doha last year, his last major championship 3 years ago, the World Championships in Lyon, with that shared gold medal that took a night to deliberate on. He'll need to improve. It is the opening session, of course, but how impressive does Jorgensen look?
Yeah, really good. I mean, it is possible, I suppose, that Popov was put off by those issues with the blocks, but he's been around for such a long time that shouldn't have affected his preparations. Jorgensen through, so too IZBASAROV. Popov 3rd. HENSON will have to wait to see if that personal best is good enough to take him through as a fastest loser.